Good morning, good morning, good morning. Good morning, grade 10s. Today is Friday. And what does Friday mean? It means Kahoot. Right, so in the chat, I need to know who of you have not played Kahoot before. If you have, don't bombard. Braden yesterday, I think, said he wasn't sure about Kahoot. Shanae, not sure about Kahoot. Misty, not sure. Don't panic, guys. I got you. Okay, so a number of people not quite sure about Kahoot. Okay, so I've also learned from the old hands in here, don't try and play Kahoot from the app. Okay, so we're going to go nice and slow just so that I can get all of you guys in there. Okay, so you go to kahoot.it, right, in your browser. You might have to go back and forth between Zoom and your browser a little bit. Lucky for you guys, you're the generation that can do like 7 screens at the same time. Yeah, don't tell me you can't. I know you can. Okay. That's a brilliant question. Tyrese, Miss P. Let me check quickly. Nelly's here. Latabo Larissa's here. Tino's here, just being quiet. Don't worry, it's gonna, hello Latabo, it's gonna take us a while to get everybody on Kahoot. Okay. Hello Tino. Okay. So guys, don't panic. Those of you who know Kahoot, okay, you might be a little bored here in the beginning, and I apologize, but we need to get everybody out. Corley went for a druffie again. Oh my goodness. I'm definitely going for a couple of draffies this weekend. Okay, right. So, for those of you who are new, when you go to kahoot.it, you will get a screen. Oh, they're here. Fantastic. Ashley, a draffie is a jog. Okay, guys, so for the new ones, when you go to kahoot.it, you'll get a screen like this. Godly. Okay. Hello, Miss P. You managed just in time. Okay. So, guys, you need to now get open for me a browser. Lots of people that I've spoken to, and mostly in this class, say that the Kahoot app is particularly slow. So it's easier to open it in a browser. Okay, so everybody needs to go to kahoot.it, all right, so that you have that screen open in front of you. Tyrese, I actually think it's you that told me about the lag. Okay. So now, I'm going to go slow, guys. I'm going to give you that pin that you need over there. So there is the pin you need for today's game. Okay, Sean is in. Why is Poppy sleeping? Yeah, she's not here yet. Kamotsu. Welcome, dude. Sorry, guys. Okay, Larissa's in. Ooh, competitiveness starting already. That is problematic. Okay, guys, so just for everybody again who's not quite used to this, you go to kahoot.it, you get a screen like this, and the game pin you put in is 805431. Poppy managed to get in. Where did she like appear from? Oh, that's Miss P. No, Poppy's here. Poppy's here. Poppy's here. She just ran in. Tyler's also here. Oh, you guys made it nick of time, no? Okay. Right. Any of the new guys struggling? Any of the new guys need some help? Let's see who we have. So Poppy is in. I sees her. Miss P is here. Poppy, are you in? Shanae's in, Ash is in, Larissa's in, Brayden. Coral, really? A pawpaw is a fruit, yes. Coral. Okay, guys, we have 18 players in and we have 26 of you guys in the meeting. Just quickly, if you're struggling, please go to the chat and just tell me I need to help you out and we need to wait for you a little bit. Corley, are you in? I don't see you. Coral, Corley, oh my word. Brayden, no, I kept today very hush-hush. Tyler, you in? Right, guys, I'm just going to give you the pin again. 805431. 805431. I popped it in the chat as well. Okay. Right, guys, so it looks like everybody who wants to join is in. All right, we good? Right, so now for the new people, those of you guys playing on your phone and doing the Zoom on your phone, okay? If people go mad in the chat, then it's really, really hard. So the only rule I have with Kahoot is that when we start the countdown, everybody goes dead quiet in the chat, okay? Everybody goes dead quiet in the chat, and then everybody stays quiet in the chat until everyone has answered the question, okay? Because otherwise you might answer the question and someone else is still busy. Oh, Braden's browser crashed. Someone else might still be busy, okay? And then when you start up in the chat, then the chat pops up and then they can't see everything, okay? So that is the only rule when we play Kahoot, okay? The only rule when we play Kahoot. All right, Miss P. Okay, Miss P, the Kahoot ID is 805431. 805431. And the only rule we have in this class when we play Kahoot is that when we are busy playing Kahoot, the chat needs to be quiet. Okay. Right. Braden, are you in? Miss P, are you in? Yes, yes. Okay, guys, we're ready for this. Right. So let's everybody go quiet in the chat. And I'm going to start in 3, 2, 1, go. Camera vision. Okay, so the first question, best definition of an element. Substance, one type of atom. Pure substance, different atoms. Mixture of atoms. Pure substance dissolved in water. I got 14, 15 answers. 17 answers. 18. Okay. Right, guys, so the moderator has blocked the chat for now, okay? Just so that it makes life a little bit easier. It's not because I hate you, but we're still going to do running commentary. Okay, right, so let's look at where who is. Tyrese, calm down. Okay, so we've got Hurt Rain, the quiet danger in the corner. And first, then Larissa, then Corley, then Braden, and then Tyrese. Ish. Don't get overconfident. Okay, so guys, only the first 5 pitch up here. Okay, only the first 5 are on here. Then at the end, I get a report. Okay. So I'll put the report in the drive for you guys. Cool. We ready? Next question. Let's go quiet. And in 3, 2, 1. What 3 types of elements do we have? Is it solid, liquid, gas, metal, metalloid, inert gases, metal, metalloid gases, water, earth, air? Pick the best answer. $18 answers. You have 10 seconds left. And time's up. Okay. So the best answer was metalloid, metal, metalloid, and inert gases. Okay. Of course you knew that. Let's see where the scores are at. Braden moved up. Iwazi moved up. Cordell and Larissa, you guys moved down. And Hurt Rain is still in the first place. Oh, stille waters, diepe grond. Quiet people always have something that they can pull out the hat. Oh, sorry, Ash. It does happen. All right, guys, next one. Here we go. Are we ready? And in 3, 2, 1. What is another name for the horizontal row? Horizontal row is the period, group, metalloids, or transition metals. Periods, groups, metalloids, or transition metals. 20 answers, 10 seconds to go. We're missing 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so it is the period. Let's see where the scores are at. So Iwazi has got an answer streak of 3. Her train's still in the front. Brayden is catching up. Tyrese, you are back on the board. All right, looking good, looking good, looking good. What do you mean always? You dropped off for a bit. Galaxy, we are busy playing Kahoot. Do you want to join us? Oh, okay, Galaxy says doesn't know what to do. So Galaxy, when you need to be able to pop between your two screens. Okay? So have you got Kahoot open in your browser? Okay, and you've got Zoom on either the app or on a different tab. Where have you got Zoom open? On the app. Okay, so what you need to do is when I go to the next question, you make sure you've got your Zoom screen open. Okay, then you check which option is the best option. You switch to your browser and you click that color. Okay, I'm going to talk you through it. Right? Right. Okay. Okay, so guys, are we ready for the next one? I'm going to do a little bit more commentary just to help. What are you guys saying? It's chai out. Okay, are we ready? Ma'am, wait, come on, I can wait. Why are we waiting? What happened? Come on, Kamal. Come on, Kamal. Ah, what's going on with Kamal? Dude. It's fine, let's play. You sure? Here we go. And in 3, everybody needs to be on the Zoom app screen. Everybody quiet in the chat. The question is, name an element. So I give you, it's got 3 protons and 3 nucleus. Okay, so which element is that? So Galaxy, as soon as you know what the answer is, whether it is pink, blue, yellow, or green, or if it is a triangle, a diamond, the circle, or the square, then you go back to your browser and you click on that one for the answer. Guys, I gave you plenty of questions plenty of time because you really need to think about this. 3 protons, 3 neutrons. Three protons, 3 neutrons. Okay, so if it has 3 protons, it has to be element number 3. Okay, and that is why it is lithium. See, most of you guys got it. There was some confusion. Well done, guys. This was a hard one. That's why I put it in there. Okay, Galaxy, slightly better. All right, guys, let's look at the scores. So, complete shuffle. We still have Bertrand at the top. Braden is catching up. Iwazi, Larissa, and Tino. That is my current leaderboard. All right, are we ready for the next one, guys? I apologize for the garden services outside my window. Okay, here we go. And in 3, 2, 1. Metals. Where do we find metals on the periodic table? Are they on the left, in the middle, on the right, or next to the zigzag line? Think carefully. Come on, come on, come on. You're running out of time. Oh, so metals are on the left. What is next to the zigzag line, guys? The metalloids are next to the zigzag line. Okay, let's have a look, see where the scores are. Oh, Braden just took Papadopoulos. You are on the page. Iwazi is still here. Tyrese, I can see you. Oh no, come on. Yes, for today we're only playing one game. I'll talk to you guys at the end. We're actually going to use Kahoot for like assessments. Just hold that thought. Go. All right. Everybody still okay? Right. We ready for the next question? Okay. And in 3, 2, 1. Metalloids. Think carefully. Think. Left, in the middle, on the right, or next to the zigzag line. This is weird music. 7, 6, 5, 4. Come on, guys. Come on. And time. Ah, good job. Remember, guys, that flippin' zigzag line, that is the first thing you draw in on that periodic table when you get it. Oi, Tyrese. Oh no. Let's see. Oh, Braden's staying there. Iwazi. Larissa's back on. Come on, you're like up 8 places. You're getting there, dude. Oh my goodness. Okay. Hi, it's Tribe Room. Miss P, you're gonna have to explain. Oh, no one's catching bread. Wow. We've had worse. We've had worse catch-ups. Okay. Right, that was question number 6 of 10. So we've got 3 left if my maths is okay-ish. Okay, so next question. Are we ready? No, that was 6, Corley. So we've got 7, 8, 9, 10. Oops. Yeah, okay. Sorry, Corley. You are right. I is wrong. All right, guys, we've got 4 questions left. Are we ready? And in 3, 2, 1. What does a covalent bond mean? Covalent. Electrons have been swapped, electrons have been shared, or electrons are not involved. Eight seconds left. 6, 5, 4. Oh, you guys beat the clock. Nice. Nice. Okay. Guys, be careful of that one. When they say electrons have been swapped, it is a different way of saying that electrons have been transferred. Okay, so just be careful of that wording. Okay, so if you see the word electrons have been swapped, they mean transferred. Let's look at the scores. Woo! Poppy, Larissa, pure husky. Dude, who you? Oh, Corley, are you coming? Corley. Oh, yeah, Brayden, you better be careful, hey? That's like 2 questions. Okay, guys, we ready for question number 8? All right, and in 3, 2, 1. What is a covalent bond? It is between metal and non-metal, between 2 metals, between 2 non-metals, or a bond between 2 forces. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ooh! Guys, sure, why is that metal and non-metal so high? You guys pressed the wrong buttons here. You. Let's have a look at the scores. Oh my goodness. Let's see. Brayden, you have had all 8 questions correct, it seems. Iwazi's right up there. Larissa's hunting. Poppy is hunting. Hurt Rain is hunting. Okay. Right, guys. 2 more. Right, and in 3, 2, 1. Covalent network. We did networks. Come, quick. Come on. I definitely didn't give you guys enough time for that one. My apologies. Okay, guys, network. We need giant lattices. Okay. Sure, that was a bit mean of me. I don't think I realized that it had so little time. I apologize, guys. I apologize. Okay. Let's have a look, see what the scores are. I know actually very few people had enough time. That was definitely my fault, guys. That I will completely take responsibility for. Brayden's still up there. Iwazi, Hurt Rain, Hunting, Larissa, and Poppy. Okay, we got 1 more question left. Okay. And then we're going to talk about assignments and assessments. Don't panic, okay? Right, so last question. We ready? And in 3, 2, 1. Metals conduct electricity. What particle makes them conduct electricity? 20 seconds to answer this question. Is it anions, cations, electrons, or protons? Electricity. Good job, good job, good job. All right, let's have a look at these scores. So Herdrain got 7 out of 10 of the questions. He got 9. I think it was that time that was a problem. And Braden also missed out on the time. So Larissa and Poppy were runners up. Well done, guys. Well done. Okay. So now, I want to just show you guys something. Okay. And this brings me to next week and going forward. Okay. So, when we practice, when we do a Kahoot, I get a report like this. So I can see which was difficult questions, I can see which questions who didn't finish, etc., etc., etc. Okay? Now, the nice thing about Kahoot is all these reports stay there. Can you see that? Okay. So all of these reports stay there. Now, I know when you guys play Kahoot like this, you're going fastest finger first because you want to win the game. But I also would like to have an idea of whether or not you can do some of the work without me. Okay. So now the really cool thing about Kahoot is we don't just have to play them live. I can set one and I can assign it. Okay, so for example, you guys remember the quizzes we did last week. So I can assign it. I can give you guys the link. I take the time away and you then complete the quiz on your own and there's no points. It's just so that I can see, yes, you have a clue what's going on, or no, you are completely lost. Okay, so next week, I am going to give you guys, because we are still busy with chemistry, I'm going to give you guys 2 physics ones. One for waves and one for electricity. Okay? So I will give you the link on Monday, just like we always do. You will have the whole week to complete it. Okay? I'm going to take the time. Timer's off. I want you really to go and think about it. Okay? And then I will give each of you feedback on how you did. Okay? Right. So, dum, dum, dum. Okay. So, guys, again, please remember, you guys are very social media people. Please remember to tag us Come on, did you get 9th place? That's pretty cool because you restarted. I mean, that was like crazy. Corley got 8th. Who else did better than they did last time? Poppy got 1st. Oi, okay. Don't worry, Sheen. This is how we learn. Okay. So again, no, we're not done. Calm down. Monday, we are going to do redox reactions. Here's the link for the drive. And here's my email. Okay. So next week, we're going to okay, hang on. No, you stay there. Sorry, guys, I'm just quickly fighting with like 20 million screens. I'll send both for you guys. That's if life wants to work. Or not. Okay. I talk to technology, okay? I'm weird. I shouted inanimate objects too. I think you guys would enjoy seeing me drive. Okay, almost there. Okay, so first of all, there goes the email. The email is for you to use if you need extra resources. Okay, if you have a question, if you've done a problem and you're not quite sure whether or not it is right, then there's the drive. Okay, the drive is where I deposit all the links in. The moderator is just sent as the YouTube feed. So you can go back and watch the videos on YouTube as well. I clearly have a fog in my throat. I can do that, Corley. No, wrong one. All right, so you guys got that. Then next week, Monday, we're going to start with redox reactions. Guys, I just quickly want to, yesterday we kind of really ran out of time when we were busy with those precipitations. So I just want to pull it up again. Just give me a second. And I just want to go back to that horrific table that you guys all shouted at me about. I know you can't see it. Don't panic. Just need to find the table first. And then I'll pull it up. Okay. Here we go. All right. So you guys remember this horrific table. Okay. What I'm going to do with this very horrific table is I am going to go back, okay, and remember how I did it like this for you guys. where I gave you the complete reaction and then the ionic reaction and then the net reaction. Okay. So what I'm going to do, just slide through this, is I'm going to take each of these reactions and type it out like that. Okay. Will that help? You guys need to tell me, will that help, or is there a different way that we need to think about me doing that? Because I know it was Larissa or Ashley, I think, that asked for more examples. So that also gives you more examples. Okay. Right, guys, we're all feeling pretty confident. We're all feeling pretty good. Guys are doing a super job. Okay, like we are busy with term 3's work, which is why I do have the liberty of once a week doing a Kahoot, because, you know, we are there. And that's also why we're going to start doing little assessments. Not for marks. Guys, I want to make this very clear. It's not like I'm going to find your teachers and find your schools and send the assessments through to them. Okay? I just want to see you as a person. Are you kind of okay with what we're doing in class? Do you need more help in a specific thing? Is there a whole topic that everybody needs me to go back to and figure out? Okay, so that's why I want to do little assessments. Okay, it's to give me an idea, am I reaching you? Guys, remember with assessments, and I hope this gives you a little bit of calm whenever you start writing tests and exams and things again. When teachers assess you, it says much more about our teaching ability than it does about your learning ability. When we test you, when we put an exam together, we go, okay, did they understand how to do this? And so I don't want you guys to think that when I'm testing, when I'm asking a little assignment or something like that, that I am trying to catch you out. I don't say tests like that. I don't. I'm sorry. Or that I am trying to get an idea of how clever or whatever you are. I want to check, am I reaching you? Is the way that I'm explaining things making logical sense to you, and are you learning? Okay, right. Now, lots of you guys have been asking me about homeschooling. Miss P, that is a very good question. I don't know. Okay, so quite a few of you have been asking me about homeschooling and the like. Okay. Now you have a bit of homework to do for me this weekend. I want to know from you and from your parents. It's not just you, okay? We are going to send out a poll and a whole thing for it. I need to know from you and from your parents. If we keep this school going, right? So we change the name, it's not lockdown, it's whatever, STEM digital school. Whether or not you would like to take all your subjects through a system like this. Okay. So that is what you need to go and have a chat with your parents about. Okay. Right. I can imagine that many of you many of you say yes, and we will put together a Google form to get that information from you. Okay. That's the plan, Corley. Larissa, the question is, you need to go and ask your parents whether or not they would prefer for you to homeschool rather than go back to school. And if so, would you like to do that on this platform? I'm not saying that we've got it in the bag. Please don't say that we are going to do this, okay? But if we have enough interest, then we can look into it. I like that, Tyler. I like that. All right, guys, that is the lesson. I now am going to retype this terrible, terrible table. Okay. And then at 1 o'clock, I'm going to read in Afrikaans. So if anyone wants to come and laugh at me, you're more than welcome to. And then I'm going to have a weekend. It's at 1 o'clock, but I don't have a link, Gordley. You're going to have to go onto African Teen Geeks and see on the Facebook or the Instagram. I think the link's on there. You guys are more than welcome to. Bye, guys. I always enjoy teaching you. You know that. Have a fantastic weekend. Stay safe. Yes, Gordley, it will. Oh, it will be in the email. Miss P, what? Yes, the reading is in Afrikaans, but I'm pretty good at translating. All right, guys. Have a fantastic weekend. Be good.